All right, time for round 4 of chapter 4. So I know it's kind of a longer chapter. We're going to talk about how to go ahead and do line spacing. Okay, so this is like when your English teacher says, "Oh, it needs to be a double-spaced essay," and then you're all like, "Yes," because I only have to write half of what I was going to write, right? So this is kind of how you make those changes. Okay, so we're going to click anywhere in the first paragraph. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group. So home, paragraph, okay, the line and paragraph spacing button, okay, and then 2.0 would be double spaced, right? Because that means there is an extra line in between each one. Okay, and then if I go ahead and click anywhere in the second paragraph, I can do the exact same thing, only using the paragraph dialog box launcher. Okay, and then line spacing, and go ahead and click on double. Okay, so it should look identical. You can see that both of these look identical, right? One, we use this line spacing button. The other, we use the paragraph dialog box. Okay, and let's go ahead and click anywhere on the third paragraph. And if I hold Control and hit the number 2, oh, it's not working anymore. That must be a different. Is there a shortcut? It doesn't tell me about a shortcut. All right, that shortcut doesn't work anymore. Sometimes things change, and this is one of those times. Coronavirus made it so that Word doesn't use the shortcut anymore. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the Design tab. Okay, in the Document Formatting group, it's right here. We can click the Paragraph Spacing button. Okay, so that is over here, Paragraph Spacing. Okay, and then I can select Double. Okay, so what you should notice is that the rest of the document now became double spaced. So that also means that the entire document is double spaced, including new paragraphs typed in later, so you don't have to keep changing it. Okay, so we did that on the Design tab because we're changing the overall design of this whole document. Okay, so again, that makes it so that in the future when I'm typing something, it will also be double spaced. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the Home tab and click the Line Spacing drop-down menu. And then we can click Line Spacing Options. Okay, so in the spacing section, we can go ahead and click the drop-down arrow and select exactly. Okay, and then in the at list, click the up arrow until it reaches 22. Okay, so that increases the line spacing. So you can see right there, just change it because this is the one I was clicked in. It changed it so there was space in between the paragraphs. Okay, let's go ahead and I want to reopen this document. Is that going to let me? Because I don't want to save. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do Control Z until I get back to the beginning. Okay, there we go. All right, where are we at? We are going to set spacing around a paragraph now. Okay, so we're going to select the entire document. So Control A to select the entire document. And then I'm going to click on the paragraph dialog box launcher. In the spacing section, I'm going to go ahead and click the up arrow next to before until it reaches 24. Okay, so now 24 points before. And then the after is also going to be 24 points. Okay, so this is for paragraphs, not for the line. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and select the acknowledgement heading. So I'm going to click OK. So now I'm going to select the acknowledgement heading and change the spacing after to 12. So click here, spacing after, I want to 12. Oh wait, that's before, my bad. There we go, spacing after to 12. Okay, so I made it so there's less space here now. Okay, now I can go ahead and use the Format Painter. So I'm going to double click the Format Painter and I can click on each of my headings so that it makes it nice and tight. Okay, then I'm done with the Format Painter. I can click there. So we can see that the spacing got cut down between each heading. Okay, so that's it for spacing. Okay, and next we're going to talk about bulleted lists and how you utilize that.